What's up guys, today I'm going to share a side-by-side comparison of the A87 and the A100 action cameras made and sold by Apeman. Both of these cameras claim to offer 4K video and 20 megapixel photos for under £100. They have a range of features including time-lapse, slow-motion video and electronic image stabilisation, and both cameras come with a variety of accessories. The following footage demonstrates the quality of the A87 and the A100 and enables you to perform a side-by-side comparison of the videos and photos produced. The following footage has not been enhanced in any way. Like many budget action cameras, these cameras are reported to have a 12 megapixel sensor, which suggests that the camera performs electronic scaling to produce the 20 megapixel photos. Furthermore, the sensors only support 4K up to 30 frames per second, which suggests that the cameras electronically enhance the footage to produce 4K at higher frame rates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.